In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use FL Studio on a mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, FL Studio is fully available on mobile devices. This isn't something that you will need to do through different means. They have an official version developed for mobile devices. So as you can see, it is primarily available on the Google Play Store and the App Store. So for Android and iOS, you have some other options here, but I believe most people are going to download it from one of these two sources. And this is fully developed for smartphones and mobile devices. So everything will be adapted. You will be able to configure it however you prefer, import templates, and do whatever you wish with the app. So it is going to cost you a little bit, $14.99. And once you purchase this on the App Store for iOS or the Play Store for Android devices, you will be able to use it. In this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about all of the functions, but essentially it is a portable version of FL Studio. Some features might not be available, but overall it is a great way to mix songs on the go. You have access to the home menu at the top right icon here, and you have plenty of options. So you can configure the layout however you prefer. This is just an example of plenty of features. You have the module menu, rack, presets, piano roll, automation, wave editors, playlists, and much more to explore. You will see all of your songs that you have loaded. You can create new ones, you can load from a template, you can save them to your device, and everything will be available for you to manage inside of the app. It is simple to use, and like I said, it is essentially a portable version of the standard FL Studio. So go to the official website or open the Play Store or the App Store and download the app. They have a video explaining the main features, and you can try it out for yourself. I hope I was able to help you on how to use FL Studio on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.